A curve C has an equation 3 to the power x plus xy is equal to x plus y square, where y is greater than 1. The point P with coordinate 4, 11 lies on C. Find the exact value of dy over dx at point P. So we differentiate this. Three power x plus xy is equal to x plus y square. Differential of a to the power x, so that is 3 to the power x ln 3 ln a plus differential of xy will be first function to differential of second dy over dx plus second function differential of first is equal to differential of x is 1 and differential of 2y is 2y, and since it is a y, so it's dy over dx. So these points are very important here to get marks. You'll get full marks for this. So dy over dx will be 3 to the power x ln 3 minus 1 divide by, if it goes to this side, so it will be 2y minus x. Find the exact value of this. So if curves lie on this, put x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 11. So dy over dx will be 3 to the power 4 ln 3 minus 1 over 2y. 2 multiply 11 minus 1. So that will be 3 to the power 4. That is 81 ln 3 minus 1. 22 minus y. X is 4. X is 4. 22 minus 4 is 18. This is minus 1 over 18. This one will be, we have plus y and this y, and plus this y is, let's write this y here. So this is y plus, the value of y is 11. So that will be plus 10. So dy over dx will be, at 411 it will be 81 ln 3. So it will be 10 over 18 plus 81 ln 3 over 18. This is 5 over 9. 81. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 2 is 81. ln 3. So this is the value of dy over dy over dx. So this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2 is fx is 125 minus 5x to the power 2 over 3. Find the binomial expansion in the ascending power of x up to and including the terms of x square. So up to x square, giving the coefficient of x and the coefficient of x square in a simplified form. So we can take 125 common. So it is 125 is to the power 2 over 3. And the remaining is 1 minus, this is 5 over 125, so will be x over 25 to the power 2 over 3. Now we have to do the expansion, so fx will be 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3 is to the power 2 over 3. And this one will be that is 2 over, that is 1 plus 2 over 3 x over 25 is to the power 1 over factorial 1 plus 2 over 3, 2 over 3 minus 1 over factorial 2 x over 25 to the power 2 plus, we have to write up to x square only, so we need not to write more. So it will be this 3 and 3 cancel, so this is 25, 1 plus, this is 2 over 3 and x over 25 plus, this is 2 over 3, 2 over 3 minus 1 is minus 1 over 3, 1 over factorial 2 is 1 over 2, x is x square and 25 square is 625 plus, we have to write ascending power is up to and including x square only. So this will be 25, 1 plus 2 over 75x. Now this is, there's one negative here, so it's going to be negative. This is 2 and 2 can be cancelled, and 625 that will be 625 multiplied by 3, so x square over 625 multiplied 3 plus, and so on. Let's open the bracket. So this is 25 multiply 1 is 25 plus 25 multiply 2 over 75x minus 25 multiplied by x square over 625 multiplied 3 plus, and so on. So this will be 25 plus 25 times 3 is 75, so it is 2 over 3x. 25 times 25 is, so it's x square over 75. So this is the expansion. Part B is to calculate the value, approximate value of 120 to the power 2 over 3. Now here we have 120 and fx is equal to 125 minus 5x. So 125 minus 5x is equal to 120. So 5x will be 125 minus 120. So 5x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 1. So if we put x is equal to 1 here, we will get 120. So we have fx is equal to 125 minus 5x to the power 2 over 3 is equal to 25 plus 2 over 3x plus x square minus, not plus, this one is minus, this one minus x square over 75. So put x is equal to 1. So this will become 120. So 120 is to the power 2 over 3. It will be 25 plus x is 1, so it will be 2 over 3 minus x is 1, so it will be 1 over 75. So we have to find the approximate value, so it will be, that is 24.32889. So that is the value of 120 to the power 2 over 3. That was the part B of this question. So this is the answer. Question number 3. Fx is equal to x square over 4 plus ln 2x. X is greater than 0. Show that the equation fx is equal to 0. So we equate it equal to 0. So that is x square over 4 plus ln 2x is equal to 0. Can be rewritten as. So we have to find the value of x. So let's say ln 2x is equal to, here e is there, so it will be minus x square over 4. So we take anti-log. So taking anti-log, this power e, this power e. So this will cancel. So 2x will be e to the power minus 1 over 4 x square. So x will be 1 over 2 e to the power minus 1 over 4 x. Part B is the equation fx is equal to 0 has a root near 0.5. Starting with x1 is 0.5. Use the iterative formula, that is x n plus 1 is equal to half e to the power minus 1 over 4 x n square. calculate the value of x2. For x2, let n is equal to 1. x2, 1 plus 1 is 2, is equal to half e to the power minus 1 over 4, and 1 square is 1. So x2 will be equal to 0.4697. In the same way, x3, we put n is equal to 2, so it will be half e to the power minus 1 over 4, and x2, 0.4697 square. So x3 will be 0.4732, 0.4732. In the same way, you put n is equal to 3. So half is to the power minus 1 over 4, 0.4732 square. So x4 will be 0.4728. So these are the values of x2, x3 and x4. Using a suitable interval, show that 0.473 as a root of fx. So let's take it between interval 0.4725 and 0.4735. Let's take these values of x. So f 0.4725 is equal to 1 over 2 e to the power minus 1 over 4, 0.4725 square. So if you calculate, it will be minus 0.000756. And in the same way, if you calculate f 0.4735 using the same calculation, you will get, and replacing this by 0.4728, you will get, this will be plus 0.001594. There's a change of sign in the interval 0.4725 and 0.4735. So the root of fx is 0.473. This is the 3 places of decimal. So that is the answer. Question number 4. Figure 1 shows a sketch of part of the graph with the equation y is equal to fx. X is a real number. The graph consists of 2 half lines that meet at a point minus 2 and 3. That's the vertex of the graph. The graph cuts the y-axis at 0, minus 1 and x-axis as minus 1, 0 and 5, 0. Sketch on a separate diagram y is equal to, so part A is y is equal to f mod x or modulus x or absolute value of x. So if the graph is f modulus x, this is a image in y-axis. It's the mirror image in the y-axis. This is the y-axis, and the graph is, if the graph is this and this, so f mod x will be, this is the original graph and this is the graph. This point is 2 and minus 3, so this point will be minus 2 and 3. This is 5 and 0. This point will be, this point is 5 and 0, so this is minus 5 and 0. So this is the graph, and this will remain, this point is 0 and minus 1. So this is how we draw the graph. You must also learn, apart from this question, how to draw the graph of fx. For your information, if the graph is this, so mod fx will be, the reflection of this part will be here. Whatever is under x-axis will come up. Now the part B is f y is equal to 2 f x plus 5. Now in the last video I've told you that if the graph is x plus 5, the number is with, if this form fx plus a, the graph will move in the negative direction of a. This thing will only affect x-axis. So here our points are, let's say the points are, this one is minus 1 and 0. This point is x is 0 and y is minus 1. This point is 2 and minus 3. And this point is 5 and 0. For this operation, first we do this operation only. For this operation, the y-axis will remain same. And the x, this is a positive 5, so it will move in the negative direction of y. So minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. So this will become minus 6 and 0. This will become minus 5 and minus 1. This will become minus 3 and minus 3, and this will be 0 and 0. This is the first operation. Let me call it first. And 2fx, 2y. You can say 2y. So this y coordinate will be multiplied by 2. So it will be minus 6 and 0. -5 and -2, -3 and -6, and 0, 0. So if I draw the graph, so that will be -6 and 0, -5 and -2, -3 and -6, and 0, 0. So the graph will be so its vertex will be -3 and -6. So this will pass from these points, and this is -6 and 0, and this coordinate is 0 and 0. Question 9, 4 plus x divided by 16 minus 9x square in a partial fractions. So we have 9, 4 plus x over 16 can be written as 4 square, and 9x square can be written as 3x square. So its partial fraction will be a over 4 minus 3x plus b over 4 plus 3x. This equation can be written as 9, 4 plus x is equal to a 4 plus 3x plus b 4 minus 3x. So this is 36 plus 9x is equal to 4a plus 3ax plus 4b minus 3bx. We compare the coefficients of x. Here the coefficient of x is 9, here the coefficient of x is 3a, and here the coefficient of x is minus 3b. So they must be equal. So 9 is equal to 3a minus 3b. So it means we have first equation, a minus b is equal to 3. Now we compare the independent. So here 36 is there, this is 4a and a 4b. So 36 is equal to 4a plus 4b. We can say that a plus b is equal to 3. Now we have these two equations, these two simultaneous equations. So if we simplify this, b minus b's cancel. If we add it, 2a is equal to 12. A will be 6. So 6 minus b is equal to 3. So b will be 3. So these are the two values of a and b. So our fx will be, can be written in the partial fractions as 6 over 4 minus 3x plus 3 over 4 minus 3x. So that is the part 1. Part B is express integral fx dx. So integral fx dx. So this will be equal to integral 6 over 4 minus 3x dx plus integral 3 over 4 minus 3x dx. This we have to express in terms of ln gx, where gx is a rational fraction. Now let's solve the first part. So integral fx dx will be, let's say 4 minus 3x is u, minus 3 dx is du. So we have to write this minus 3 times 2 is 6 and minus minus plus. So 6 can be written as minus 3 minus 2 dx over 4 minus 3x plus. Second is 4 minus 3x is v. So minus 3 dx is equal to dv. So this is 3 is already there. So we need minus 3 dx over, no, they can't be plus. 1 is plus. Both can't be. So a over 3 minus x and b over 4 plus 3x. So this is 4. That is a mistake. So we are going to rectify it. That is plus. So plus 3x. So we need not to have negative here. So it will be 4 plus 3x. Now this will become minus 2 minus 3 dx is du over u plus 3, and here 3 dx is dv over v. This is minus 2 ln u plus ln v. So this is minus 2 ln u is equal to 4 minus 3x. So mod 4 minus 3x plus ln mod 4 plus 3x. Integral 1 over u du or 1 over x dx is ln mod u. And don't forget to write plus c. So it will be equal to ln mod 4 minus 3x to the power minus 2 plus ln 4 plus 3x, and c can also be written as ln k. C is a number and k is a number, so it's a constant. So this is ln 4 minus 3x to the power minus 2 multiply 4 plus 3x multiply by k. So this is equal to ln k 4 plus 3x over 4 minus 3x power 2. So in fact it can be written as ln, you can write k dash 4 plus 3x over 4 minus 3x. So that is the answer of second part.